The question for this video is, where can you find your audience retention for your videos on YouTube? Well, what you do is go into your YouTube studio, click on Studio. Once you reach the dashboard, click on Videos. Click on the video in which you want to review the audience retention. We'll click this one. Then go to Analytics. In Analytics, you'll go to Interest Viewers, and here is your audience retention graph. You can click on See More, and what audience retention will do is tell you where people are most interested in your video, where they rewind, such as here. Some people went back to look at this section twice, and where they dropped off. This will give you a clue as to where you should improve your videos. You can also look at relative audience retention, which measures how well your video is doing compared to similar length videos. This is also very helpful to determine the quality of the videos you are uploading. If you found this video valuable, make sure you give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe so you don't miss a future upload.